Here we come to the second elevator that is modernized at Moore Street Parking Garage in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. This one's got modernized GAL. These are the same exact fixtures that I see in New York City. We're likely going to be picking people up. Right here it is. Seven. This used to be Dover, if I'm not mistaken. Just so you know, there is another one over there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's the third elevator here, but it's unfortunately broken. And push down the button. Just your basic elevator. We got sirens and elevators. Join with me. These are your GL vandal resistant fixtures. These seem to hold up a lot better than your average elevator mod. I think I got his face by accident. I will. Watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.